Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
JDM Car Meet in the Lotus Elise. I'm not gonna put it on the like show table. I'm just gonna park it in the visitor spot, but still getting some funny reactions probably. This car is a little bit of JDM because there's a Toyota motor in it, 1.8 supercharged 4-cylinder. It's in the middle of winter. It's about 0 degrees Celsius, and I don't know how much people are gonna show up to the meet in their precious JDM car. I love JDM. I love it. I don't own one myself anymore. I used to have a Mazda MX5, a Miata. That was pretty sick for like a beginner racing driver car to learn the basics. And now the Lotus is a completely different beast. It's also very light. Miata was like 1.2 tons and this is like 950 kilograms. So still a big difference. I am gonna meet up with a friend of mine. He has a Mark 5 Supra. So at least one of us comes to the meet with the JDM. That's a nice car garage. Car meet is at the Ace Cafe. I don't know if there is one in your country. But here in Switzerland, that's basically where the meets are. It's not like any drifting or it's not a crazy event, it's just kind of a show-off event of the cars. And it is winter. After this meet, we're gonna eat something and then I'm gonna spray the car off of the salt because it's like bare aluminium, however you pronounce it. Oh, there's a Supra. Sick. He gave me the thumbs up. Oh, I think there's a lot of people here actually. In the M2. Oh. Wow, yeah, even the visitor parking is full. Ooh. GR 86. Oh, nice Porsche. I'm gonna park right next to this Peugeot. That was a nice car meet. gotta say, it's nothing like in other countries like Italy or even the USA, where they do crazy drifts and revs, and sadly it's not allowed in Switzerland. As soon as one wheel even comes loose, the police is right up your ass. So sadly it's not possible here, but still saw some nice cars, heard some nice sound from that Supra. That was insane. Just a quick spray. Oh, he went ham. So now let's go again. Alright guys, just a quick JDM meet and the rinse of the car. Hope you enjoyed it. We saw some nice cars. Please subscribe and like the video. The next goal of subscribers is 100. Hope we can reach that within a reasonable time frame. But other than that, I'm gonna sign out. Peace. Let's not forget that tunnel, infamous tunnel.